This 2022 American Coach American Patriot 170 EXT MD2 is a Class B RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used American Coach is 24 feet 2 inches in length and features a Milkweed, ash satin interior, sleeps 2, stove-top burner, awning, TV, LP detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, oven, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, and 32 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2022 American Coach American Patriot 170 EXT MD2 is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.